Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one about x, that is about the square root of x to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have number 2, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. Dx over the square root of x we change for this one. So this one, that is about u minus 1 multiplied by u plus 1. So number 2, that is about 1 plus 1. So we need to add about u. Later that we need to minus about u. So we can do about factorization by negative number 1. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u minus 1, and the second one about u, that is about the square root of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.